Hi Richie, so we got your parcel from Toronto, from Security Data Recovery, and now we see what the inside, what they did it, just what they just pack it to here. Okay. Nothing more. Scratch it. Laptop. Oh, no screws here. No screws. Just only 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, nothing here. Oh my gosh. I know what's about before. So this one go here. And also you can see if it's here for some of the screen damages. You see like this one, no cover or no battery here. No, this is actually supposed to be battery. No, it should be the cover, the battery inside. This one dirty. Okay, let's try to open this device. Here we go. Yeah, so this one here is the battery here is logic board. So this one you need to check that, take it out, and see what we can do. So here is the memory card. It's a SanDisk eMMC. It's just easy to remove it and read it. So our price is $400 for remove memory chip and read it. If there are no encryption, if you have an encryption like a BitLocker, you need to provide the password or encryption key. So if you have encryption key, it should be the $400 for the data recovery. But if you don't have encryption key, don't have a password, nothing, it should be start from $2,000. Thank you.